Don't allow yourself to be controlled by these 5 things. Many people spend their life at the mercy of circumstance, living at the mercy of what happens to them, living at the mercy of other people, not living in the present because they're stuck in the prison of their past. If you want to live a great life, don't allow yourself to be controlled by any of these things.
Number 1, your past.
Number 2, other people's opinion and judgment.
Number 3, limited beliefs you project on yourself.
Number 4, relationship.
And number 5, money. Number 1, don't allow your past to control your present or your future life. Whatever happened, you must let it go. Leave the pain of your past behind so it cannot ruin your future. Leave the darkness of your past behind so it cannot block the light of your bright future. Your past is gone. Whatever happened, whether unjust, cruel, harsh, whenever the case, reliving the events will never do you any good. If someone did you wrong, the only way you can win is if you let go and move on. If you live in hate, they win. If you live in the victim story, they win. If you want to win, you must focus upon building your future and start right now. Relieve that weight from your back so you can be free. Don't allow events of the past which are now gone through in this moment, which is perfect. This moment, which is now to enjoy, which is ready for you to live fully.
Number 2, don't allow other people's opinion and judgments to control the direction of your life. The need to fit in and feel wanted can cause you to travel down path you don't want to travel. People pleading it occurs that should be avoided at all costs. Before you do anything else, ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to do it or because of my fear of judgment from others if I don't? You were born unique for a reason. You were born to stand out, to be appreciated and loved for who you are. Don't dim your light so you fit into the dull background of others people's life. Shine bright as you are. Those who really care for you will see that light and shine with you.
Number 3, don't allow yourself to be controlled by your all limited beliefs. Now, a warning with this one. These beliefs may be conscious, but more than likely they are unconscious. They may be unconscious limitations that have been conditioned in you from a young age and throughout your entire life. But listening to those around you who never reach for the under. Notice your all limited beliefs and tell them to shut up. There is nothing that you cannot do, nothing you cannot have, and no one you cannot become if you believe in yourself. If you believe anything is possible, guess what? Anything is possible. When you change your beliefs from limited to unlimited, your potential is unlimited. Imagine what could you achieve if you lived your life as though anything is possible. As though miracles are a standard requirement of every single day. As the saying goes, when there is no enemy within, the enemy outside can do you no harm. When you have nothing inside holding you back, there is nothing outside that can hold you back either. Your entire life will change the very instant you decide to change your mindset. The instant you decide to change, when you decide to see every circumstances and challenges as a blessing rather than a curse, the very instant you become conscious to the fact that everything is as it should be, and know that fighting what isn't insane.
Number 4, relationship. A touchy subject, but if you are always needing another to be happy, to feel complete, then you are always one moment away from breakdown if that person leaves you, or unhappiness if the relationship you are in is not going well. I'm not suggesting to avoid relationship. There is no force in the air greater than love and connection. I'm talking about those who cannot live if they are in a relationship, those who will be with just about anyone, including all the wrong ones, just to avoid spending a moment being a single. What I am saying is to develop enough mental strength that you get to the point where you don't need others to make you happy. You are just as happy being alone as you are in a relationship.
Number 5. This is what controls the majority of women on the planet. Can you guess what it is? Money. This does not mean you should want abundance. It doesn't mean money is evil. You know as well as I do what great things you can do and how many people you can help with money. What this means is Do not allow your decisions to be controlled by money. If you are choosing something only on the factor of how much money is involved, you've just made the wrong decision. What you will find is that when you follow your heart and lead with your intention to serve others, to give your best to others every single time, when you follow your head and lead with your intuition and truly give your soul, then the money will come. And it will come in far greater amount than if you simply chase money for the sake of chasing money. So challenge yourself to live the life that you want to live, free from being controlled by anything. Find your freedom. Live fully. Thank you.